All right, in this video, we're going to explain what a cover call is, but we're going to use a house in real estate as an example to try to explain this to make it easier for somebody who knows nothing about options or cover calls or cash secured puts. Now, I already did a video on cash secured puts. If you haven't seen that one, you might want to watch that one first, but you probably can get the gist of things if you watch this one first. So in this scenario, we're going to use a house that I already own. And a little bit about the house. The house is worth $100,000 and I have no mortgage on it. So a buyer comes along and offers me $110,000 for this house. And this offer is good for 30 days. And along with this offer, I get something else. So what I get is $1,000 up front. So they're giving me an offer plus $1,000 for the option to buy that house. And that money is mine to keep no matter what. If the deal falls through, if the deal goes through, it doesn't matter. That money is mine to keep. So now you might be wondering, why would anybody do that? Well, they think the prices are going to skyrocket and they'd like to lock in that price for $110,000. They're betting on the upside. So 30 days goes by, price of the house stays about the same, no big jump, time has expired. So what happens next? Buyer doesn't buy the house. Like I said, expires. And once again, I get to keep the $1,000. However, if the house goes above $110,000, let's say for $120,000, I still have to sell the house for $110,000. I still keep the $1,000 on top of that, but I could have sold it for $120,000. So that's a downside. So how's this like a covered call? Well, the house is the stock. The $110,000 offer would be the strike price. The 30-day contract would be the expiration. A cover call is I own 100 shares of stock. I sell a call option. That'd be like writing the contract for the house, making an offer. And with a cover call, you get paid up front. Instead of owning a house, I own stock. And I'm basically making the same agreement. I agree to sell for $110,000. If it gets to $110,000, if it doesn't, I keep my house plus the $1,000. If it goes to $110,000 or above, I sell the house for $110,000. I still keep the money. And an option with stocks works the same way. So the basics of a cover call, you have the stock price, and option contracts are sold in 100 block shares of stock. So it's 100 shares of stock. You have a strike price, you have an expiration date, and then you have premium. That's the money, the $1,000 I make is called premium. So what's the downside or the trade-off? The upside is capped, which means if the price of real estate goes $120,000, I'm still locked in to sell for $110,000. However, the income, the $1,000 is guaranteed, and that's why people do cover calls and cash secured puts because of that guaranteed income. So if somebody was going to summarize cover calls or even cash secured puts in one sentence, it'd be getting paid today for agreeing to sell something tomorrow if all the conditions are met. Now, if you're watching this, you might have a lot of questions like, is it always $1,000? No, it just depends on the price of the stock, the length of time, and the volatility of the stock market in general. So that could be $1,000 or it could be $500 or it could be $1,500. It depends. And you might say, what are the chances of the price getting to the strike price? And you have to either buy the stock if it's a cash secured put or sell the stock if it's a covered call. Well, that depends, but there's ways you can figure out what percent that would probably happen. And that's called looking at the delta. I won't get into that in this video. These videos are just to explain what a cover call is and a cash secured put in the other video. However, I have a series of videos that teach you about options, cash secured puts, and cover calls from the very beginner, shows examples to the point where you could probably trade options yourself. So I have a playlist of videos. So if you're so interested, the next thing you would do is watch this playlist on trading options for very beginners. It will explain to you when to do cash secured put, when to do a cover call, and we'll introduce a thing called the wheel to you. If you're still curious, find that playlist and watch it. So that's it. If you like this type of thing, make sure you subscribe and keep watching.